Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And for the past few weeks I've been using the latest peripherals from Asus, and these are all awesome. I will leave links down below for all of them, but there are two that are my favorite. Today I'm going to share with you my opinion, my experience with the ROG Delta S Animate, which is a headset which is awesome with some incredible features. But before we do, don't forget, when you need a budget key for your Windows computer, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 11 Pro, or even if you want an Office 2021, don't forget to check out CDKSales.com, which is a platform that we have been testing for quite some time. And it's easy to purchase, easy to activate, it works great, and we can have it in a budget. Now moving to the ROG Delta S Animate, they have some features which are really awesome. All these peripherals are intended for gamers, and by gamer, which I'm not, I do assume that it's a person that spends some time in front of a screen taking advantage of a certain game. And the game, in my opinion, it's not only a image on the screen, it's more than that, and that's why I do understand the power of some peripherals and some accessories. Not just a GPU and a CPU and things like that, it's also the sensation that we get out of that particular game or out of that software. And these right over here, in terms of the experience, in terms of sound, the quality is just great, really clear, crystalline, which is something that I can't show you to that side of the screen. You will have to take my word for it. It has a technology that Asus calls true to life. I do believe that we are getting closer and closer, but we are still not there. Nonetheless, the effort is here, and I do recognize that, and cheers to Asus, but we need a few more things to be true, exactly true to life. Nonetheless, it is a great experience in terms of sound. In terms of comfort, they are among the best that I've tried so far, with that being the most expensive that I've tried. Lightweight, only 310 grams right over here. They are very ergonomic. The materials are all premium. The plastics are premium as expected, and when it's not plastic, it's metal, and when it's not metal, it has this cushion material right over here on bottom and on top. So even if you touch with your head right over here, if you put them really close to the head, which I don't find necessary, you will have this cushion that will not hurt your head, and they are very light. The design, as we can see, we have D ear pads right over here, D-shaped ear pads right over here, which, by the way, they come in two materials. This one is more of a synthetic leather, and then we also have another option of fabric, which we can just change when we want. Probably I would use these more in summertime and the fabric more on winter time, because they are a little bit more comfortable and cozy right over here on the ears. It has a detachable microphone with noise cancelling, which is great. It will give us a really nice clear sound that we can send to our teammates when we are planning stuff that we do online, or even if we are doing a video conference with a friend or with a colleague from work. Now, if you are looking to this screen, this is one of the things that caught my attention. This is the Anime Matrix screen with 245 LEDs, which are all programmable. Really nice. We have a lot of controls, but the most basic ones are here on the headset, where we have the volume control, the microphone control, and we also have a button right over here which I can switch. This mode will be in listen mode, so if it captures any sound like it's capturing right now, it will show us these graphics right over here, which are really nice. I also have the option to shut them down, but I do believe that this is not good for such a headset, having this off. Not really, unless we are in a work environment, and probably temporarily, but even though, nah, I prefer them like this. Now, like this, we will have the option through Armory Crate, which is a software that probably you already know. We can program and personalize the way that we want, and besides the contrast, brightness, and the speed of the animation, we will be able to use any of the animations included in the software. Now, if you find that those are not enough, then you can download a few more that are available through Armory Crate. And besides being able to download any of those, we can also upload our own image. I did test it out, and honestly I do believe that I need more time to play around with this kind of software and the images so that I could personalize even better with animations and so on and so forth. But at this moment I could place my own image right over there. It could be a logo, could be something like that. So to finish up, I do believe that this is the kind of peripheral that will bring to someone that spends, regardless if you call it a gamer or not, but someone that spends a lot of time with a really nice image, but besides the image he also wants to capture a lot of the sensations that the game will transmit to us, either by touch or by triggering something that probably an enemy and you want to shoot him, which is something that it's not really cool, but inside the game I do believe that it's acceptable and it's really nice. And besides that, having a great audio while having comfort and with some style. Now these are among my favorite at this moment. That is it. Hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always I'll see you guys on the next one.